That looks good. Wow, that nose highlight. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos usually about once-ish a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about lifestyle, fashion, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. Today, I'm going to be creating this look that you see right here. I have a show later on. I'm performing a song. It's sort of like a recital through singing lessons that I do. So this is the look that I created. I will be posting the video of my performance on my other channel, which I'm really not active on, but I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out there. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to use my NYX primer. Now I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock It foundation, and I'm going to use a little bit of my Fix Plus just to make it a little less matte. Let's put on some Shape Tape. Okay, yeah, my face looks ghostly right now. I'm gonna try and fix this, but first I'm gonna do my brows. I've got the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. I really, really like this product. Like, literally everyone loves this product. Look like shit today. Wow. This is what happens when you rush. Alright, I'm gonna try and clean these up. Okay, you know what? That'll have to do because I don't really have time to play around with my brows. So next, I think I'm gonna try and contour. I always suck at this. I broke the product that I usually use for contour. Oh wow, it's like completely shattered. I'm so upset about this. It's really, really good for contour, but because it broke, it's like, it shows up really, really dark and intense. I think I'm gonna use the NYX Wonder Stick contour and then add a little bit of the powder maybe to make it a little bit more intense. Oh, okay. There's like light coming in and I don't like what's happening here. I'm not a fan. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna use this to contour. Wrong side, there we go. Contour side. This always happens where one side looks great and then the other side looks like a hot mess. I'm gonna attempt to set this with powder. So like, yeah, it's completely shattered. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to kind of fix this up by blending whatever's left on my beauty sponge to try and sort of like soften this. Yeah, because it looks, oh, it looks so good on this side, and then it looks terrible on this side. I'm gonna take like a tiny bit more foundation, like just like a drop. Now I'm gonna use the highlighting side of the Wonder Stick and just kind of carve out like underneath my contour. So my contour looks a little bit sharper. Next, I'm going to put on some blush. So I'm going to use the Tarte blush in the shade Party, and I just use a fan brush. I'm going to try and recreate a look that I did yesterday. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm just going to use the brown shade. And I'm just putting that in my crease. I think I still have some colors left on this brush from something else because this is kind of like an orangey brown. But anyways, now I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, now it's just pink. It's not even orange at this point. So I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 2 palette, and I'm going to take this gorgeous purple shade down here, and just using my finger, I'm just going to apply that to kind of like the outer 2/3 of my eye, I guess, the outer half. So like, look at that, look at how gorgeous that is. I'm going to take my fluffy brush again. I'm just going to take maybe a little bit of this sort of metallic black-ish color. Actually, I'm going to take a smaller brush. So I'm just going to take this color and just kind of smoke out the edges a tiny bit. Next, I'm going to take this very pale pink shade, this one, and just put that on like the inner portion of my eyes. I'm just going to clean up this eye with a little bit of concealer. Kind of smoke it out so the line isn't so harsh, but yeah, I think that looks okay. I think now I'm gonna highlight, and then I'll do lashes, liner, lipstick, and then I'll be done. I'm just gonna use a sample that I have from Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Celestial. I'm just gonna take a small brush so I can be a bit more precise with it. Just to intensify it, I'm just going to use some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. And I think I'm going to use this shade Luna in the center. I'm just going to use my fingers. Just going to put some eyeliner on, mascara. do some mascara. Just gonna curl my eyelashes. Okay, just gonna use a little bit of this. Alright, so let's just do some lashes. I'm gonna use my favorite Ardell Faux Mink in the style 812. I love these lashes so much. They're so gorgeous and so natural looking. They're just very, very delicate. Okay, so I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in the shade Candy K. A lot of people really don't like Kylie Cosmetics products. I'm one of the few people who loves them. I think the lipstick formula is amazing. It lasts all day, it lasts through food. I just really like it. Okay, and I'm just gonna set it with some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.